We want to round the following numbers all to 3 decimal places. And the first one that we have is 123.4567. We want to chop the number here, and the digit in the 4th decimal place is a 7, and that means that we're going to increase this 6. We're going to round up. So that's 123.457. The next one is 0.1234. Now we're doing the same thing. We're going to chop the number just here, but our check digit this time is a 4. And that means that we leave this 3 the same. A process called rounding down, but remember in practice it means that you don't change this digit. So it's 0.123. Remember, these are all given to 3 decimal places, and you should always state accuracy when you've rounded. Now the next one's a little bit trickier. 0.2399. And we're going to chop here, and the check digits are 9, which means that the 9 just here needs to round up. But there's no space to round it any further. 9 is the largest digit you can have in a column. So it would round to a 10. And what that means is that you put a 0 in this column and put an extra 1 over here. So that one is actually 0.240 to 3 decimal places. Now I'm just going to explain that one a little further. If we had a number line and we were counting in thousandths, then at some stage we would have 0.239, and the next one up would be 0.240. Exactly in the middle there would be 0.2395. Our number was 0.2399, which is here, and that's why it rounds to 0.240. Now the last one we need to deal with is 0.000456, which we are chopping at this point just here. This is a 4, and so this 0 stays the same. Despite the fact that these are all zeros, if you're giving it to 3 decimal places, you have to give 0.000. You have to actually state 3 decimal places. And this is something that sometimes confuses students, so try to be clear about it.